Hello all, my name is Khaja Hasanuddin. I have been admitted for COVID-19 treatment under critical conditions. It's been more than 2.5 months I have been admitted in Apollo hospitals. I would like to share my feedback, the kind of treatment, the level of satisfaction what I have received from Apollo Hospitals Group, although still I am admitted and undergoing treatment. First thing is that the level of confidence provided by doctors here is great, miraculous, and which is unbelievable. Although as I told you, when I got admitted here, I was under very critical stage. The level of confidence doctors provided to the family is really great. The first thing is that the doctors, under the guidance of Dr. Ravindra Babu sir, Dr. Rajiv Pal sir, and Dr. Zaki sir, and all those doctors who have provided treatment to me, they have always encouraged me, they have always given me a positive feedback that I will recover. Although my condition was critical, most important is the level of confidence given to my family was always have been great, and I am thankful to all the doctors who have provided treatment to me. Secondly, my friend Saeed is the first step to refer me to Apollo hospitals, because prior to that I was admitted in some other hospital. All doctors provide treatment for the good of the patient, but after a certain time in X hospital my health was more deteriorating, so I have approached my childhood friend Mr. Saeed, who works for Apollo in the capacity of office bearer for President Office. He helped me to get a admission in Apollo hospital, and from there he has helped me to get the right treatment. So I would suggest all those people who are looking for the right treatment for all their health conditions, approach Apollo hospitals and get treated at Apollo Group, because Apollo Group is not only provides treatment, but they make you part of the family, which is a larger group. As I told you, the most important thing for the patient and the family is confidence level. When the doctor speaks in the positive and takes you into confidence, then that gives a different support and the help provided by all those doctors. Not only doctors, all the non-medical staff, especially all those nurses and all the people who have assisted me, right from ward boy, right from nurses, right from cleaning boy, everyone have provided the best treatment to the patient, and I owe a great attitude to Apollo Group, and it's really great to be part of Apollo family. You can understand a person like me who never got admitted, but after 2.5 months, the level of anxiety, they have provided me support and help in all the ways so as to make me comfortable to get treated, and I am thankful I am fully recovered. Again I say thanks to Dr. Ravindra Babu sir and the team, thanks to Rajiv Pal sir and the team, thanks to Zaki sir and the team, who have always spoken in a very great confidence level that I will recover, I will become normal again, and who have provided the best possible treatment. Of course, Apollo is known for the best possible treatment, and I suggest again all those people who would like to get their health treated, approach Apollo Group and get recovered fully with great confidence. Thanks a lot, and thanks to all the nurses, all the doctors, and all those people who have helped me to get recovered from COVID-19. I feel I am healthy and I am back to my normal life very soon. I will lead a normal life. Thanks a lot. Thanks Apollo Group, and thanks a lot to all those people who helped me to get recovered. Thank you, and thanks to Apollo.
Hello everyone, myself Maimuna Hassan. I am the spouse of patient Khaja Hasanuddin, who was admitted in Apollo Hospital Jubilee Hills on 7th of May in a very critical condition. I would like to share my experience and the support that I went through this journey of 2.5 months in Apollo Hospital. My husband was very critical and his survival chance was only 5% the day he went on ventilator. But the tremendous help and support provided by the complete doctor's team has revived him from this and got him back to 95% of recovery. Definitely there is another 5% left for his recovery, which he will very soon lead to a normal life. I would like to thank each and every doctors, nurses and the housekeeping and all possible help provided from the medical fraternity to him. My first thanks would go to Dr. Rajiv Paul and team, Dr. Nagaraju, the NICU and team, Dr. Zaki and team, and a very big thanks to Dr. Ravindra Babu for all the support and help that they have provided. See, as a homemaker, I was the only woman who was just, running from pillar to post between my husband and my house. But the complete support and the comfort that the hospital and the doctors have provided me has really gave me a big relief. There was always a confidence and motivation both to the patient and the family, which the doctors have provided. They have not let me lose my hope and has ensured and assured every day, every hour that my husband is going to recover and revive back from this COVID-19, which has finally happened. I would like to thank the complete Apollo group and Apollo Hospital for all the support and medical treatment provided to my husband. Thank you.